আমরা IKEA এসেছি আজকে আবার শপিং করতে। তুমি কি হাংরি? কিছু খেয়ে নিবে? কি খাবে বলো?
Chips.
Fish and chips?
Yeah.
Okay. And any croissant? You can have chocolate croissant.
I don't know.
Okay, let's see.
Mommy, we need a trolley to get all the food. We can't just hold it all in our hands. I'm gonna get a trolley.
Okay, please.
Today, Abaji died, and you know, Kiwi died on the month of my birthday.
Oh, আচ্ছা তাই নাকি? আমি তো ভুলে গেছি।
Now, children, they can take Jerry, and we are two adults, so we can take you. So we're sharing, basically. So the birds we have there are going to be looked after by Nasrin and Ryan, and we're going to buy.
Mommy, I want to come here again and have this food. It's very yummy. But then we'll have to wait a long time because of the queue is so big.
ফিশ আচ্ছা তাদের ওখানে ফোক ছিল না তো তোমার একটু কষ্ট হবে খেতে একটু কেয়ারফুলি খাও ফোক ছিল না তো
This is a very nice place. I like how they organize all the plants. Died, and you know, Kiwi died on the month of my birthday.
ও আচ্ছা তাই নাকি আমি তো ভুলে গেছি
No, what I'm saying is, we're going to leave the birds with Nashwan, Ryan, and Jerry, and because that is a 3-bedroom flat. They're 3. They've grown up now, and they need big space, and we have to leave Nashwan and Ryan. Yeah, and then